Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to hear a remarkable story mentioned in the Quran. It is commonly identified as the story of Uzair alayhi salam. Although the Quran itself does not name the man in this verse, some scholars identified him as Uzair. And scholars have differed over whether Uzair was a prophet, so this point is debated. Uzair alayhi salam was traveling through the land. During his journey, he came across a town that had been completely destroyed. The town was no longer what it had once been. Its buildings had fallen into ruins. The place was empty with no people living there. Looking at the destruction, Uzair alayhi salam wondered how such a place could ever return to life. He said, "How will Allah bring this to life after its death?" Then Allah caused him to die. He remained dead for 100 years. During those 100 years, the world continued without him. One generation passed away, then another generation came. The people who had lived during his time were gone. The land around the destroyed town changed, but Uzair alayhi salam remained dead. Then after 100 years had passed, Allah brought him back to life. He was alive again. Allah then asked him, "How long did you remain?" He did not know that 100 years had passed. From his perspective, it seemed as though he had only been gone for a short period. So he replied, "I remained for a day or part of a day." Allah told him, "Rather you remained for 100 years. He had thought that perhaps he had been there for only part of a day. But an entire century had passed. Then Allah gave him a sign that would allow him to see how much time had really passed. Allah said, "Look at your food and your drink. They have not spoiled." His food and drink had remained unchanged. Despite the passing of 100 years, they had not decayed. Then Allah told him to look at his donkey. Uzair alayhi salam looked at the animal. The donkey was no longer alive. It had completely decayed. Only its bones remained. The difference was clear. His food and drink had remained, while his animal had died and its body had completely decayed. Then Allah showed him something even greater. Allah showed him how he brings the bone together and then covers them with flesh. The Quran describes Allah brings the bones together and clothing them with flesh. The donkey was brought back to life by Allah's command. Uzair alayhi salam witnessed this after having been dead himself for 100 years. The man who had once stood before a destroyed town and wondered how Allah could bring life back after death had now witnessed the power of Allah directly. He had experienced death himself. I know that Allah is capable of all things. Jazakallahu khair.